From our family to yours, Homemade Homeschoolers presents the HMHS Podcast Network, bringing family-friendly fun and educational audio and video from the past and present. To find out more, please visit us at hmhomeschoolers.com.
Salvage companies are responsible for the saving of thousands of dollars worth of property each year. Their efforts throughout the years have resulted in the reduction of your fire insurance rates. The basic firefighting companies are backed up by special equipment and trained crews to handle special types of fires. Mountain patrol stations house tank trucks carrying hose and water. Although capable of drafting or obtaining water from hydrants when available, these units are a necessity in those areas far removed from a source of water. And brush fires in the 125 square miles of mountain area within our city are a constant menace. Mountain patrolmen in patrol cars equipped with hose, water, and other brush firefighting tools play an important part in the extinguishing of small brush fires. These men maintain year-round patrol and inspection. Theirs is a job of fire prevention by enforcing the strict fire regulations so necessary in this hazardous area. Bulldozers are used the year round, constructing fire breaks and fire roads to make the mountain area accessible to manpower and equipment when fire strikes. This equipment has also proved its worth in helping to bring major brush fires under control. In direct contrast to our arid mountain area, where water for firefighting purposes has long been a problem, we find a different situation at Los Angeles Harbor. Oil, lumber, and chemicals are but a few of the products of the industries that add to the potential fire hazard. Over 45 miles of waterfront with warehouses, ships, and oil-soaked piers contribute to the possibility of fire. Land-based firefighting companies protecting the waterfront are supported by fireboats capable of attacking warehouse, pier, or wharf fires from the seaward side. And fires aboard ships. That is the responsibility of the fireboat crews, particularly so when such ships are out of reach of land-based companies. Seawater in abundance is supplied by powerful pumps, capable of delivering thousands of gallons of water a minute for firefighting purposes. Of exceptional importance is the ability of our fireboats to supply water to land-based engine companies should the need arise. There are occasions when fires reach serious proportions. In such instances, the radiated heat may become so great that firemen with hand lines cannot approach close enough to efficiently fight the fire. Portable monitors and wagon batteries supply the great quantity of water needed. Or when such fires involve the upper floors of buildings, the water tower is the answer. Obviously, water damage is extensive, but confining this type of fire to its point of origin is a must to prevent its spread to adjoining structures. At night fires, particularly where electrical systems have been damaged, the laborious procedure of wetting down smoldering material to prevent rekindle is a problem. Utility companies, equipped with portable generators and lighting equipment, furnish the necessary illumination. Coffee urns on utility trucks furnish the firemen with their favorite drink, Java, strong, black, and hot. Oil fires present a unique firefighting problem. Foamite companies, carrying cans of foam powder and portable foam generators, are in constant readiness to suppress such fires. Foam powder, dumped in the hopper of the generator, is mixed with the moving column of water and flows from the nozzle in a sticky mass that has a strong smothering effect. Crash trucks, speedy fire control units, protect the city's airports and extinguish aircraft fires so that immediate rescue of the occupants can be accomplished. In addition, they prevent the spread of such fires to other property. Rescue companies, strategically located throughout the city, respond with life-giving oxygen on all calls demanding emergency resuscitation. Firemen assigned to these units are well versed in all branches of first aid, but the majority of their calls require the administration of oxygen for respiratory failure. This condition is usually caused by drownings, electric shock, heart attacks, and the inevitable attempts at self-destruction, suicide. The duties of the fire chief may be likened to those of a general manager. He works in close alliance with a civilian board of fire commissioners who determine broad matters of policy. Routine department procedures are formulated by the deputy chief and assistant chief officers who are in command of the three major divisions of the firefighting forces within the city. Divisions are further divided into battalions, each of which consists of a number of fire stations housing firefighting units. Each battalion is under the supervision of a battalion chief, who responds to and takes charge of all fires within his battalion. He is responsible for the efficient operation of the companies under his command. Direct control of individual firefighting units is relegated to captains. Engineers or pump operators, auto firemen or drivers, tillermen, a kind of backseat driver, hosemen, truckmen, and salvage men complete the line of rank. All firemen are appointed and promoted under civil service. Applicants for original appointment are required to pass a written examination. Strenuous physical agility tests. And are subject to close medical scrutiny before acceptance. After appointment, rookies are sent to the drill tower, where they are given an intensive training course. Here a man first becomes familiar with the tools of the trade. Classroom sessions are also a part of the training course. Those who pass are assigned to fire companies where they serve a 6-month probationary period before becoming regular members of the fire department.